Want naturally glowing skin without expensive treatments? In this video, I'll share powerful home remedies that actually work. Let's get started. Understanding skin glow. Quick science behind skin glow. Hydration, nutrition, and skincare. Importance of following a routine. Remedy number 1. Honey and lemon face mask. Benefits: brightens, hydrates, and removes tan. How to make. Mix 1 tablespoon honey plus 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice. Apply for 10 to 15 minutes. How often? 2 to 3 times a week. Remedy number 2. Turmeric and yogurt. Glow pack. Benefits: fights dullness, evens skin tone, and reduces acne. How to make. 1 tablespoon yogurt plus 1/4 teaspoon turmeric plus 1/2 teaspoon honey. Apply for 15 minutes. Frequency: 2 times a week. Remedy number 3. Aloe vera and rose water. Benefits: soothes skin, reduces blemishes, and hydrates. How to use. Mix fresh aloe vera gel with a few drops of rose water and massage onto skin. Bonus tips for glowing skin. Drink 8+ glasses of water daily. Eat vitamin C rich foods, oranges, berries. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods. Always wear sunscreen. Which remedy will you try first? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. See you next time.